RWA tokenization is the next big crypto trend, and Ondo's success proves it. But what's next? These 9 tiny RWA altcoins are poised for massive growth in 2025, backed by innovation, real-world utility, and even BlackRock's investment interest. Let's begin with IMO, our first RWA project on BaseChain. The IMO project, based in Switzerland, is a pioneering initiative aimed at revolutionizing real estate investments using blockchain technology. IMO combines the stability of real estate with the transparency and efficiency of blockchain to provide a modern, inclusive investment model. The project enables investors of all sizes to access the benefits of real estate, including rental income and capital appreciation, without the high costs or complexities typically associated with property ownership. Unlike many real estate-related cryptocurrencies that focus on tokenizing single properties, IMO operates as a diversified real estate fund. It pools investments from its community to acquire and manage multiple properties. For example, the project's first acquisition, a renovated property in Switzerland, generates rental income reinvested into the ecosystem by purchasing and burning IMO tokens. This deflationary mechanism enhances the token's value over time. Through blockchain, IMO ensures security, transparency, and reduced administrative burdens. Smart contracts automate transactions, eliminating intermediaries and reducing costs. This innovative approach democratizes real estate, making it accessible to smaller investors who can benefit from a diversified portfolio rather than owning a single property. With its focus on transparency, fair tokenomics, and community growth, IMO positions itself as a game-changing solution in blockchain-based real estate investing. IMO currently has a market cap of 15 million. We believe that a market cap of 2 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a 133x from here. Our next RWA project is called Centrifuge. The main goal of Centrifuge is to connect DeFi with real-world assets. By doing so, it plans to lower the cost of capital, which could significantly benefit small and mid-sized enterprises. This would also provide investors with a more stable income source. The project also seeks to remove the volatility from profits made through cryptocurrencies. Since it can't eliminate volatility or stabilize crypto prices, it aims to enable users to generate profits not tied to crypto assets. Essentially, its developers aim to transfer real monetary value from the fiat industry to the cryptocurrency sector. Centrifuge grants access to DeFi's liquidity without relying on volatile cryptocurrencies. This can be especially beneficial for companies that want to use crypto but don't want to expose their funds to the risk of devaluation. Centrifuge provides liquidity to everyone, allowing assets like real estate, invoices, royalties, and more to be linked with decentralized finance. It can also be used by borrowers who wish to finance their real assets without relying on banks and other financial institutions. DeFi procedures are mostly automated thanks to smart contracts, making them more affordable and transparent, without hidden fees. They also offer users the ability to profit through staking their assets. Staking requires no effort or knowledge from stakers, just locking up their coins and not withdrawing them. In return, they receive regular rewards for supporting the project. The protocol tokenizes real-world assets by converting them into NFTs, which are then granted entry to the blockchain world. The NFTs are funded via TinLake, Centrifuge's first dApp, which was designed to access liquidity on Ethereum. These tokenized real-world assets could be stakes in business ventures, loans, or physical assets. Once tokenized, TinLake assets can be freely transferred and used across the extensive DeFi product and service ecosystem. TinLake also empowers stablecoin issuers to provide stable value stores backed by collateralized asset pools. As investors possess different risk-reward profiles, the Centrifuge TinLake dApp is designed to offer a way for users to invest in the same asset through different investment classes. Centrifuge currently has a market cap of 60 million. We believe that Centrifuge has the potential to reach a market cap of at least 8 billion in the future. That is a 133x from here. As our third RWA project, we would like to highlight RTrade on the Solana ecosystem. RTrade is a blockchain-based platform designed to transform the way people interact with digital art and collectibles. The project provides a user-friendly marketplace for buying, selling, and showcasing NFTs representing real-world assets, art, or unique digital creations. By leveraging blockchain, RTrade ensures authenticity, ownership, and provenance for every NFT traded on its platform. A standout feature of ArtRaid is its emphasis on eco-friendly operations. The platform uses blockchain networks with low energy consumption, aligning with sustainability goals. It also prioritizes accessibility, offering an intuitive interface for users to browse and trade NFTs seamlessly, whether they are seasoned collectors or newcomers. ArtRaid goes beyond mere transactions by fostering a community for artists, collectors, and investors. Artists can mint and sell their digital works directly to a global audience, while collectors gain access to a verified marketplace with tools to assess the rarity and value of NFTs. The project also plans to integrate augmented reality capabilities, enabling users to experience their digital art in immersive ways. By combining cutting-edge technology, sustainability, and a user-centric approach, ArtRaid is reshaping the NFT landscape and paving the way for broader adoption of tokenized art and collectibles. ArtRaid has a market cap of 20 million. We think that a market cap of 2 billion is possible in 2025. That is a 100x from here. Another RWA project on Solana is called Parcel. Parcel is a RWA project on the Solana blockchain that democratizes real estate investment by introducing fractional ownership of properties through blockchain technology. It recently launched its native PRCL token, which has several essential functions, including governance, staking, and transaction fees. The PRCL token allows users to participate in decision-making, earn rewards, and pay for transactions within the ecosystem. By tokenizing real estate, Parcel offers investors the ability to gain exposure to global real estate markets without the need to own physical properties, offering a cost-effective and accessible alternative to traditional real estate investing. Parcel's use of the Solana blockchain ensures a decentralized, transparent, and efficient system, taking advantage of Solana's low transaction fees and high-speed network. This makes Parcel distinct from traditional real estate platforms and other blockchain-based projects. The ability to tokenize real estate means users can buy, sell, or trade fractions of properties, allowing for diversification across multiple markets with minimal capital. The introduction of the PRCL token enhances the Parcel platform's utility by integrating it into various aspects of the ecosystem. For instance, by holding and staking PRCL tokens, users are rewarded with part of the transaction fees generated on the platform. This staking mechanism not only incentivizes long-term participation, but also helps secure the network. The governance feature of PRCL tokens empowers the community to influence key decisions, ensuring that the platform evolves according to the needs and preferences of its users. Looking forward, Parcel plans to expand its offerings, potentially adding more real estate assets from different regions to provide a broader range of investment opportunities. The platform also aims to continually refine its user experience, ensuring that both novice and experienced investors can easily navigate and utilize its features. Through strategic partnerships and technological advancements, Parcel is set to reshape the landscape of real estate investment, making it more aligned with the digital economy and the preferences of the modern investor. Parcel has a market cap of 20 million. We think that a market cap of 4 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a crazy 200x from here. RWA project number 5 is called TokenFi. TokenFi is a user-friendly platform for crypto and asset tokenization that allows users to tokenize any real-world asset and launch crypto tokens without needing to write code or spend much money. Part of the Floki ecosystem, TokenFi was initially created to distribute token crypto rewards to the Floki community. TokenFi was introduced in late October 2023 as the result of a Floki DAO proposal to launch a staking program. The Floki community approved the proposal and immediately setting the project in motion. The TokenFi platform uses token coins to reward users who stake Floki coins. TokenFi features 5 key components. The TokenFi token launcher lets anyone create ERC20 and BEP20 compliant tokens in a few simple steps. The RWA tokenization module will allow users to input any RWA that isn't a security and turn it into a crypto token. The TokenFi Launchpad takes care of the technical aspects of fundraising, so that project creators can focus on networking and fundraising. The TokenFi AI Smart Contract Auditor will help ensure that crypto token launches and asset tokenization remain fully above board. Users will be able to get on-the-spot token audits for their smart contracts, which will reassure the community and prevent malicious actors from taking advantage of TokenFi's easy token generation process. With the referral and user incentives program, TokenFi hopes to further support the tokenization industry through user incentives. In order to boost program adoption, users who refer others will receive additional token rewards. TokenFi is more than just a new part of the Floki ecosystem, as it also has exciting implications for the billion-dollar tokenization industry. By focusing on the real-world asset tokenization process, TokenFi has the potential to further connect the blockchain industry with real-world items. TokenFi currently has a market cap of 35 million. A market cap of 4 billion is possible in a bull run for this unique project. That is a 114x from here. As our sixth project, we would like to highlight Propi. Propi is an innovative blockchain-based real estate platform using Coinbase's base chain to revolutionize property transactions by bringing real estate assets on-chain. It aims to make property ownership more accessible, secure, and efficient for buyers and sellers through tokenization and digital representations of real-world addresses. A key feature of Propi is Propi Keys, which allows users to mint real estate addresses as NFTs. This not only secures property titles by reducing risks like deed fraud, but also gamifies property ownership with interactive features such as challenges and staking mechanisms. These staked NFTs offer Propi token rewards, encouraging active community participation. The initiative quickly gained traction, with over 150,000 minted addresses shortly after launch, and a goal of millions more, valued at an estimated $10 billion. Propi Keys also offers AI-generated NFT landmarks, enabling users to own customized digital versions of global landmarks, expanding its reach into collectible assets. By digitizing and gamifying property deeds, Propi facilitates smoother property transfers and a more decentralized approach to real estate, aiming to transform the $280 trillion market. Propi represents a cutting-edge approach to real estate investment and transaction management, attracting support from influential figures in tech and finance, including Cathie Wood and Tim Draper. Through its base chain integration, Propi is pioneering on-chain home ownership, turning the dream of seamless, secure property transactions into a blockchain reality. Propi currently has a market cap of 30 million. We believe that a market cap of 6 billion is possible in a bull run. That is a beautiful 200x from here. As our seventh project, we present PropBase. PropBase is a transformative project dedicated to real estate tokenization, enabling seamless investment in property assets through blockchain technology. The platform offers a decentralized ecosystem where users can invest in and trade fractional ownership of real estate properties worldwide. By tokenizing properties, PropBase makes real estate investing more accessible, liquid, and transparent. One of PropBase's main features is its ability to fractionalize ownership, meaning investors can buy smaller shares of high-value properties, such as commercial buildings or luxury apartments. This lowers the entry barrier for smaller investors while providing liquidity in an otherwise illiquid market. Property owners, in turn, gain access to a larger pool of potential investors and a streamlined process for raising capital. PropBase leverages smart contracts to ensure secure and efficient transactions. Ownership, profits, and legal agreements are encoded on the blockchain, reducing the risk of disputes and increasing transparency. Additionally, the platform complies with legal regulations to ensure all transactions adhere to local and international property laws. The PropBase roadmap includes partnerships with real estate firms, integration of advanced analytics for property evaluation, and expansion into global markets. PropBase currently has a market cap of 10 million. We predict it will have a market cap of at least 1 billion in a bull run. That is 100x from here. Our eighth RWA project we would like to highlight is called Goldfinch. Goldfinch represents a groundbreaking decentralized credit protocol that has been thoughtfully designed to enable crypto borrowing without the standard requirement of crypto collateral. Instead of tying loans to on-chain crypto assets, Goldfinch's approach allows these loans to be fully backed by off-chain assets. This is a significant departure from the norm, as existing decentralized crypto lending protocols frequently impose a requirement for borrowers to over-collateralize their loans with crypto assets. This stringent requirement often acts as a barrier, excluding a large majority of potential borrowers on a global scale. However, Goldfinch has successfully managed to incorporate the principle of trust through consensus into its operational model. This innovative approach allows borrowers to establish and demonstrate their creditworthiness based on the collective assessment carried out by other participants in the network, as opposed to relying solely on their crypto assets. The Goldfinch protocol functions with three main roles at its core: investors, borrowers, and auditors. Within this ecosystem, investors supply USDC to the protocol, which is then accessible for use by borrowers. There exist two distinct paths to becoming an investor within the Goldfinch network: as a backer or as a liquidity provider. Backers are primarily driven by yield and specificity. They carry out comprehensive evaluations of individual borrower pools, make informed decisions about whether they should invest in them with their first loss capital, and in return, they earn the highest yields offered by the protocol. On the other hand, liquidity providers are more focused on diversification and liquidity. They are network members who contribute both capital and GFI to a Goldfinch membership vault, with the overarching aim of promoting the network's growth and ensuring its security. The borrowers in this ecosystem are participants who seek financing from Goldfinch, and they propose borrower pools that are put forth for evaluation by the network. In this way, the Goldfinch protocol capitalizes on the unique benefits of cryptocurrency, specifically its ability to provide global access to capital. Goldfinch currently has a market cap of 40 million. We predict that Goldfinch will have a market cap of at least 2 billion in a bull run. That is a 50x from here. RWA project number 9 is called Realio. The Realio network represents a comprehensive, all-inclusive software as a service platform operating within the cutting-edge sector of the blockchain technology space. The primary goal of the Realio network is to seamlessly merge sophisticated, enterprise-grade blockchain technology with investment opportunities of unparalleled institutional quality. Operating across multiple platforms, the Realio network runs on both the Ethereum and Arbitrum networks, which are well regarded for their reliability and versatility. This dual-platform operation ensures a robust, dependable environment, conducive to a broad range of digital asset activities. The Realio network stands on 4 foundational pillars that contribute to its comprehensive nature. To further enhance usability and functionality, the Realio network offers an expansive range of features. These include, but are not limited to, a decentralized exchange, a secure wallet, a tokenization engine for asset digitization, a compliance engine to ensure regulatory adherence, and a smart contract engine. These features enable users to engage in a broad spectrum of digital asset activities. Realio aims to make investing in real-world assets like real estate, or even company shares more accessible by facilitating fractional ownership through security tokens. The prospects of decentralized real estate through blockchain technology are exciting. This technology enables fractional asset ownership, passive income, and easy liquidity access. Blockchain's security and transparency improve trust, something traditional real estate investment often lacks. The tokenization process is simple and efficient. Major institutions have acknowledged its transformative impact on traditional markets. With the Realio network spearheading this innovative investment method, the future of real estate looks brighter than ever. Rio currently has a market cap of 10 million. We predict that Rio will have a market cap of at least 2 billion in a bull run. That is exactly a 200x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.